People sometimes ask what is needed to cooperate with AI. Well, what is needed to cooperate with any coworker? First and foremost, it requires clarity. When we cooperate, we need to communicate clearly. For this, we need to build thorough understanding. We need to convey our own understanding by putting it in words, and we need to verify whether we are aligned with what our coworker expresses. Are we on the same page? Are we moving in the same direction? Should we adapt our understanding because of what our coworker, possibly a bot, tells us? The worst attitude we can have is to think we know better. The best attitude is that of someone curious to learn. Therefore, have the courage to stand corrected. Be open to new perspectives. How do we apply this in spec-driven development, creating software applications? Well, that's a great question. I'm glad you asked. First and foremost, we need to build our understanding of the application domain. Who will use our application? What are their needs? What work do they do? How does the application help them? What administrative work would they like to minimize? What would make them appreciate our application? How could it serve them best? I mentioned humility and respect. If we have the intention to learn, we are free to ask questions and we are open to new insights. We are willing to stand corrected. We ask the coworkers' feedback and we welcome it when they point out where our specs were ambiguous. This is how we make progress, how we grow. And once we are aligned and the spec is unambiguous, we have to trust our coworker to do the right thing. And then we have to have the courage to get out of the way. We still have to verify, though. All intelligence has occasional dense moments, so our support is inadequate if it doesn't include verification.